Well, the next topic I want to talk about is Git tags. So, what it's all about? I went back to our last practical repository, this exercise with merge, rebase, cherry pick, and amend. I do here git log, and let me show the first trick. So, if I just type git log, it's too much. Let me clear. If I type git log hyphen hyphen one line, then it's short. I prefer to use this view. Okay, so what is a git tag? We have here several commits. They are identified by their hash code, but yes, sometimes this hash code is it's complicated to handle. We would like to refer these commits with a name, and git tag stands for this. So for example, let me pick this one, this add feature in progress. Let me copy its hash ID and just tell git tag and give it a name like okay, let's give a silly one, my first git tag and the hash code. What happens now if I do a git log hyphen hyphen one line again? I see here that this commit has a tag like a reference, a link to this commit. And if I type git tag, it lists all my tags. I have currently only one. This is the guy. And the fanciest thing I can do here is I can tell git checkout my first git tag, and now it checked out this add feature in progress commit, so like this one. So from now on I can refer to this commit even with this name, not only with its hash ID. It's, I think, sometimes really useful. Awesome, right? So let me go back to our branch now. I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so here we are, and there are two kind of git tags. This first one I just showed you, where you attach just a name to it. This is called lightweight tag. That's nothing else than a name, but there's another option, it's called annotated tag. So what it means, let me create one on this commit add feature one. Let me copy its hash ID. Here I type git tag -a, like annotated, and I give it a name like, okay, let it be silly, my first annotated tag. And additionally, it also requires a message. It has like a message, like a commit message or something. So yeah, let me make it silly this time. This is my first annotated tag, and let me add a hash code. Okay, enter. Now if I do git log hyphen hyphen one line, I see it here. It's here like the same. You cannot see the difference between this normal tag and the annotated tag, or I mean lightweight tag and the annotated tag. What happens if I just copy this tag, I tell git show, paste it. Now you see that this is an annotated tag. It has a tagger, so it also says who tagged it, when this tagging happened, and this is my first annotated tag, practically the related message. So it's like, in case of annotated text, it stores three information: the tagger, the date, and the message next to the name. This way of tagging can be really useful if you want to mark, for example, the stable versions or the release versions or whatever else. And if I type git tag, you see here all the tags, and you can just do git tag -d, for example this first one, and now I deleted it, so now I do git tag, it's not there anymore. And of course also if I do a git log one line, you see it's not there anymore. So these are git tags, that's how they work. I hope it will be useful for you on one glorious day. Thanks for watching.